The PEGACPDC88V1 exam is designed to assess your knowledge and skills in Pega decisioning. This certification is highly valued in the industry as it validates your expertise in using Pega decisioning framework effectively. By earning this certification, you demonstrate your ability to make data-driven decisions and design efficient decision strategies. To excel in the PEGACPDC88V1 exam, it is crucial to understand the exam objectives and the topics covered. Familiarize yourself with the exam format and structure to enhance your preparation. The PEGACPDC88V1 exam tests your understanding of Pega decisioning concepts, implementation techniques, and best practices. Share some PEGACPDC88V1 exam dumps questions here. 1. What does a dotted line from a group by component to a filter component mean? A. There is a one-to-one relationship between the group by and the filter components. B. To evaluate the group by component, the filter component is evaluated first. C. A property from the group by is referenced by the filter component. D. Information from the group by is copied over to the filter component. 2. In a decision strategy, to use a customer property in an expression, you A. Define the property as a strategy property. B. Define customer page in pages and classes. C. Use the property as defined without any prefix. D. Prefix the property with the keyword customer. 3. To access a property from an unconnected component, you use the A. Customer.property construct, B. Property value, C. Component.property construct, D. Property value directly. 4. A decisioning architect wants to use the customer properties income and age in a filter component. Which decision component is required to enable access to these properties? A. Proposition data, B. Set property, C. None properties are available, D. Data import. 5. U+ Bank uses a scorecard rule in a decision strategy to compute the mortgage limit for a customer. U+ Bank updated their scorecard to include a new property in the calculation, customer income. What changes do you need to make in the decision strategy for the updated scorecard to take effect? A. Remap the scorecard property in the decision strategy for the change to take effect. B. Add a new group by component for the mortgage limit calculation. C. The score calculation is independent of the strategy and no change is required. D. A new proposition filter needs to be configured in the strategy to filter on customer income. 6. What is the name of the property that the system computes automatically when you use an adaptive model decision component? A. Order, B. Propensity, C. Rank, D. Priority. 7. U+ Bank wants to use Pega Customer Decision Hub to display a credit card offer, the standard card, to every customer who logs into the bank website. What three of the following artifacts are mandatory to implement this requirement? 7. Choose 3. A. Customer engagement policies, B. An action and the associated web treatment, C. Real-time containers, D. Customer contact policies, E. A business structure. 8. U+ Bank, a retail bank, has purchased Pega Customer Decision Hub. The bank currently uses an external tool to design email content and a third-party email service provider to send emails to its customers. As a decisioning architect, how do you recommend the bank implements this requirement? A. Create an external email treatment and use an external tool to design the email. B. Create an external email treatment and use Customer Decision Hub to design the email. C. Create an internal email treatment and import the email content HTML. D. Create an internal email treatment and use Customer Decision Hub to design the email. 9. U+ Bank, a retail bank, has purchased Pega Customer Decision Hub. The bank currently uses an external tool to design email content and a third-party email service provider to send emails to its customers. As a decisioning architect, how do you recommend the bank implements this requirement? A. Create an external email treatment and use an external tool to design the email. B. Create an external email treatment and use Customer Decision Hub to design the email. C. Create an internal email treatment and import the email content HTML. D. Create an internal email treatment and use Customer Decision Hub to design the email. 10. U+ Bank wants to send promotional emails related to credit card offers to their qualified customers. The business intends to use the same action flow template with the desired flow pattern for all the credit card actions. What do you configure to implement this requirement? A. File template. B. Dynamic template. C. Output template. D. Email treatment.